Alright, I'm going to show you how to use the crop tool, and I'm choosing a picture that's quite far out so that I can show you all the crops in the same picture. You may have to use more than one for yours to be able to maintain the rule of thirds, but try to pick one that's a little farther out to start with. So once you have your crop tool chosen on the side here, up on the top on the options bar, you can click and you can see all of your presets that are up here. I'm going to have you do a 4x6. Your most normal sizes are 4x6, 5x7, and 8x10. So starting with the 4x6, just click to make that hold. I'm going to click and drag across and move that wherever I want it to be to see whether or not I have the rule of thirds. If I'm over here, it's not quite as much. I think what I want to do is pull it over here. Now be careful that you don't let the picture fall off the side there. You see how down here it's off the side? That means it's not really on the picture and you won't keep the same proportions. Make sure it's in the picture and rearrange yourself by pulling somewhere inside of it, not by the center. Pull by somewhere inside. And arrange so that looks pretty good. That's right on the rule of thirds, and this kind of pulls across nicely too. I'm going to hit my check on the top to apply that, and then if I fit it on screen you can see what the crop actually did. So I like that. I'm going to do File, Save As. I'm going to start myself a new folder and call it Cropping. Create. Now the name of this, I want 4x6 by 300. Make sure it's a JPEG. It probably will stay that, but just double check, and then click Save, and always stay at maximum. Say OK. Now to be able to do the other crops at the same time, just go to your history, go straight up to the top, and just pull this so I can see it a little bit better. Then if I want to change this to a 6x4 for the second one, just click the little center here and it will swap the height and the width, and I can click and drag. I'm going to set this so that it's on the rule of thirds. This actually has both spots, kind of neat on the rule of thirds. I'm going to hit my check to apply it, and again, File, Save As. Change this then, instead of 4x6 to 6x4 by 300. Click my save. It's already going in the cropping, so I'm good there. And again, maximum. Say OK. Go back up to my history so that it resets it to the beginning. Change my preset to the next, which is 5x7. Click outside of it, and same thing. Just make sure again that you are maintaining the rule of thirds each time, and click yes. Show you what it looks like. File, Save As. Change this instead to 5x7 by 300. Save. It's still going to the cropping, so I'm okay. Reset it. Swap my height and width. Click and drag across. Reset so that it's right on the rule of thirds again. Right about there. Check. File. Save As. Do that for that and the 8x10 also. So 7x5. Save it, and OK. Make sure you do that for the 8x10 and the 10x8 too.